Hello, magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa sign ng Leo with the fire elements. Lola Baby, nagpapakilala po. Bibigyan ko kayo ng timeless reading sa mga natitirang araw ng linggo, araw-linggo ng buwan ng June at sa papasok na July. Okay? General po ito, hindi po ito personal or private reading. Okay? So, isa lang pong likes, shares, and subscribes. If ever you want a private reading, yan, feel free to email Lola Baby. Okay? So, ito po yung inyong first and second energy. Titingnan po natin, ha? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the 5 of diamonds, the 3 of clubs, and the 8 of clubs. Yan, ha? So, ano itong magmamaterialize na ito? Yan, ha? Dahil narito na. Ibig sabihin nito, ano itong tinatawag na kailangang magmaterialize. Maybe kailangan magkaroon ng wins. Okay? Dahil nakikita ko dito, there is a wins, there is a growth, there is luck, fruition, and abundance. Okay? So, nakikita ko for you is about your performance to others. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, ito yung tinatawag na what you can do to others. Yan, ha? So, maaring ito yung tinatawag your traits, your qualities, di ba? What you can offer, di ba? It's like, ang nakikita ko dito, you have everything, okay? You have everything, okay? To give, to offer. Yan, ha? So, maganda ang inyong tinatawag na energy, okay? And the last cards, yan. So, nakikita dito, nagkaroon ng tao. Okay? Since this is nakikita dito, yung tinatawag the effeminate, very, very effeminate ang iyong tinatawag na energy. Yan, okay? Kumbaga dito, your femininity, your sexiness, your attractiveness, diba? It's about your, what you can offer. Yan. It's like, you have everything. You have the qualities, di ba? You have the capabilities, okay? Yaan, to offer. Yun ang nakikita ko sa inyo. So, gagamitan natin ng tinatawag another tarot, okay? Saan yan? Kayo na lang po ang mag-fit kung saan yan areas, okay? Sa buhay ninyo. Has it something to do about love and romance? Friendship, interaction, foreigners, di ba? Job, profession, work, health. It's because you, dito, ibig sabihin nito, it's you and them and what you are capable of. Okay? Yan. So, nakikita din i-describe dito. You're very, very, yan, no? It's about your strength, di ba? It's about your sexiness. Yan. It's about your tinatawag na, it's like you are not afraid, okay? To show them, okay? To express, okay, yourself. It's like you have no fright. Yung tinatawag na stage. You have no stage fright, di ba? Yan. Hindi fright. Fright, you have no stage fright, di ba? It's like dito nakikita yung tinatawag your energy, okay? Masyado kayong energized. You are full of vitality. You are full of energy, di ba? Kaya dito. But, nakikita dito, okay? It's about your soft side, okay? Tinatawag the spot, okay? Yung tinatawag kahinaan mo. Where is your kahinaan? The soft spots ng tinatawag na the Leo. The 5 of diamonds. What does it mean? Okay? Okay. You want, nakikita dito for some of you. You're not a liar. Okay? You hate people. People lie. Diba? Ayaw na ayaw mo nagsisinungaling. Diba? You want to be treated fair because yan nakikita dito. It's about fairness, okay? It's like tinatawag dito, you are tinatawag justice, di ba? It's about justice, okay? It's like tinatawag, wag mo akong aapihin, hindi kita inaapi. That is one of your quality, di ba? Wag kang magsinungaling dahil hindi ako nagsisinungaling, di ba? Wag mo akong lamangan dahil hindi ako nang lalamang, di ba? Sumusugal pa nga ako, di ba? Yan, no? Kita mo. Magaling to sumugal. Hindi naman ibig sabihin sugal sa kasino, di ba? Okay? Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag dahil napaka broad-minded ng taong ito. The 3 of clubs to the 8 of clubs, very broad-minded, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, pag nariyan na, sunggab, okay? It's like, knock, knock, okay? Who's there? Opportunity, grab, okay? Grab, yan sila. Pero nakikita mo dito, yung tinatawag na pagiging feminine. Madali silang umiyak, di ba? Madali silang masaktan. So kaya lumabas ito, that's one of their traits, okay? Nang tinatawag na the Leo, okay? They want the truth, okay? You don't lie to Leo, don't lie, okay? Dahil, kumbaga dito, they can forgive, but they cannot forget. Madali sila magpatawad. Okay? Yan, Leo. Okay? This can be your energy or their energy. Diba? So, ibig sabihin nito, maaari ito'y kahinaan mo or tinatawag kahinaan nila. Ano ang kahinaan mo, Leo? Okay? Number 1, masyado kang mapagbigay. Okay? Number 1, okay? Tinatawag na nahahayaan mo. Why are you letting them abuse you? Diba? Don't let them abuse you. Okay? Yan. So nakikita dito, you hate devils. You hate tinatawag evilness. Diba? Because you're the justice. Diba? So ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag, pag nakikita ka ng mga tao, nakikita mo yung kahinaan ng tao, di ba? It's like this is your qualities, di ba? You are not afraid to tell them, di ba? The truth, okay? Yan. So for some of you, galit ka sa mga taong mapagmataas, haughty, di ba? Galit ka sa mga taong they are abusing their power, di ba? So, yan no. Kaya dito, ikaw ito. It's like the angel and the devil, di ba? But nakikita din dito yung iyong kahinaan, di ba? It's like madali kang masawi. Pagka halimbawa natalo ka, okay? Nakikita agad sa iyo. Tumatahimik ka, nagsha-shutdown ka. Nagsha-shutdown ka, di ba? You're very, very effeminate. Nakikita yung feminine. Effeminate. Yan ang nakikita ko, ha? Puno-puno ka ng pag-ibig. So, this is it. Ito. So, I see your energy. Ibig sabihin ito. The downfall. Okay? Be ready. The downfall. Huwag mo itong tanggalin. Yan. Huwag mo itong tanggalin. Okay? Lumaban ka. Yan, whatever is this. Kung ano itong downfall na ito, di ba? It's like tinatawag testing. Tinetest ka. Maaring the heaven is testing you, di ba? The universe is testing you. Yan, oh. Dahil nakikita dito your feminine side, your soft side, okay? Tinatawag na soft spot ng mga Leo. So, ibig sabihin nito, don't be carried away. Leo, don't be carried away. Dito sa tinatawag the devil. It's like ito yung mangyayari. Okay? Whatever is that. It's like tinatawag, guguho. Okay? Guguho itong the 5 of diamonds. Okay? Nakaano na ito, ha? Yan. Antabay ka, Leo. Okay? Either ito sa mga natitirang araw, linggo ng buwan ng June, papasok ang July. Tingnan natin kung makaka-recover ka. It's about your faith. You pray, you pray, you pray. Kaya narito ang tinatawag, the 3 of clubs to the 8. To the 8 of clubs. Pray, pray very hard. Pray, pray, pray very hard. Okay? Okay? Huwag pang hinaan dahil narito ang the Queen of clubs. Okay? Talk to God. Talk to God. Okay? Talk to God. Tumabi kasi ito. Dito. Yan. It will affect your moods. It will affect your attitude. It will affect you physically, mentally, and soul. Okay? Oh, be ready. Be ready, okay? So this is you. Okay? This is you. Tingnan natin, ha? This is you, between you and them. Okay? So ibig sabihin ito na. Between you and them. Okay? The judgment, the outcome, the justice. Okay? Para ito yung tinatawag na it's like mabuo uli. Okay? Ma-rebuild, ma-resurrect. It's like resurrection, a rebirth, an end of the problem. Okay? So medyo may kahina. Meron dito tinatawag delaying. Don't lose your faith. Yan o. Kaya narito ang the devil. It's your tinatawag na kahinaan mo. Okay? Kung ano man ito, you are waiting. What you are waiting from this people with authority. Okay? The truth, you want the truth. The result, di ba? Para dito makarecover ka. Yan. Kasi nakikita dito pinanghihinaan ka. So, ibig sabihin nito, it will take mabagal-bagal. Okay? Mabagal-bagal. Okay? Yan. Kasi meron dito tinatawag na, yan, oh. It's like, nagigiba, okay? Yan. Tinatawag na, a very bad. It's like unexpected, okay? Unexpected loss. Maybe it has something to do about your marriage or relationship to others, career, profession, work, your health, family, children, kung ano man ito, unexpected, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, habaan mo ang pasensya mo. Okay? Habaan mo ang pasensya mo. Habaan mo ang pasensya mo. Habaan mo ang pasensya mo, okay? Don't lose hope. Habaan mo. So, kung kaya, ibig sabihin nito, turn to God. Turn to God, okay? You need prayers. This time, you need prayers. You need a lot of prayers, okay? You need a lot of prayers dahil tinutokso ka na ng devil, okay? The devil wants you, okay? Panghinaan ka ng loob. The devil wants you, panghinaan ka ng loob because of this tower, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, pray, okay? You light a candle. Light a candle. Put your intention, okay? Para dito yung tinatawag and pray very hard. Leo, pray very hard, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, Leo, protect yourself, okay? Don't entertain this. Either ito yung tinatawag kahinaan mo, prostration, your anxieties, depression, or ito yung mga tao, okay? Don't listen to them. Listen only to God. Listen only to God. Listen to yourself, okay? Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na wag mo, this time, whatever is this, the tower, okay? Mas kailangan mo ang Panginoong Diyos, okay? So, protect yourself, okay? Protect yourself. So, ibig sabihin nito, na tinatawag, there is, whatever is this, yan. Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, maaari ito yung tinatawag, exchanging, okay? Exchanging their, thoughts, yan, exchanging their specialties, exchanging what they believe, okay? Narito pa, kaya ito'y very delaying. Yan, ha? It's like marami ito, okay? It's like tinatawag, kanya-kanya silang pag-iisip, kanya-kanya silang contribution, okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, ha? Be more masaya, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, yan ha, sasamahan mo lang mga tao yung tinatawag ka-aura ninyo, ha? Yan, no? Be more productive, okay? While you are waiting for this outcome, for this outcome, for this whatever is this, di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, be more productive, okay? Stay away from people, especially this. And ibig sabihin nito, wag mo itong i-overcome. Yan. Instead, be more, kung sino itong mga kaano mo, yan ang ka-vibes mo, maybe it your friends, family, loved ones, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, more productive, okay? Oo. While you are waiting. Yan, ha? Okay? Sasamahan mo lang yung mga taong hindi pahihinain ang iyong ang iyong emosyon. Okay? Yan. Always pray very hard. People are praying for you. People are praying for you. Okay? People are praying for you. And you pray too. Pray. Okay? Talk to God more open. Talk to God more open. Okay? So, narito na ang tinatawag the King of Cups. Wait muna, ha? Wait muna. Wait muna dahil ang the result is yung tinatawag nasa likuran. Okay? Yan. It's like tinatawag in na ito, on the way. Wait muna. Okay. So, ibig sabihin nito, no more crumble. Okay? Yan, no? No more crumble. Yan, ha? Ibig sabihin nito, sandali. Okay? Wait muna. Listen to this. Listen to these people. Okay, yan. Help yourself. Tulungan mo sarili mo. Whatever is this nararanasan mo. Help yourself. Okay? Yan. Okay. Success. Is that an operation, illness, a wealth, love, relationship, romance, others, ibig career, profession, work? Ayan, oh. No more crumbles. Alayo, no more crumbles. Yan, oh. Whatever is this, yan, oh. Delaying, there is delaying. Okay? You are waiting. Ibig sabihin nito, yan, oh. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, while you are waiting, be more productive. More, it's like exercise, talking to people na ito yung tinatawag tribes mo, okay? And this, whatever is this happening to you, kung saan man itong areas ng buhay mo, no more crumbles. Wala na. Yan, oh. Success. Praise the Lord because you are praying. Listen to this, Leo. Success. Magkakaroon ng success, okay? Thank you very much.